Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bookmark folder on Google Chrome on your Windows PC. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So let's say I head over to whatever website. I'm going to choose something. So let's say Amazon, right? So I'm going to simply type in Amazon right here. Let's go to amazon.com or whichever. Just click on the Amazon website. And as you can see, I'm at amazon.com, right? And let's say I would like to bookmark this amazon.com. Looks a bit long. Don't know why. Maybe because I clicked from there, but let's put it like this. And yeah, the URL looks much better. So let's say I want to bookmark this page and I want to put it into a folder. As you can see, I have a bunch of folder here, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So there's two ways. You can simply click on the bookmark here and the icon on from the address bar. You can click on that, and from here you'll be able to put it in whichever folder you want. So as you can see, it says folders here, but it will automatically choose one. You can click the drop down here and you have the option to create new folder or select folders that you already have created. You can also choose the option that says choose another folder. That will open up the window that gives you the option to also create a folder. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a test folder. So I can simply go ahead and I can create new. So I can do a new folder. And as you can see, it automatically creates a new folder here. So I can simply call this one test. And once I click on test, all I have to ensure that I select it. And then once I click and save, that new website will be in that folder, right? So if I click it in the address bar, you can see that it's now under that folder as well. Now, another way you can easily do that, let's say I go ahead and I will just right click and I will just simply go ahead and delete that folder. Let's say I don't need it. If you want to create a folder, let's say you don't want to really have that website saved right now, but you want to create a folder so that you can use it later, click the three dots on the upper right hand side. And then you will have the option that says bookmark and list. So you want to hover over that. And then from here, if you go across, you will see the options that says bookmark manager. So you can simply click on bookmark manager. It will open up this space for you. And here you have all additional things that you can do. You have the folders as well. So you can simply right click here and you will see the option to create new folder. So you can simply click create new folder from here. You can give it a name that you want. Let's call this one test. And also you can click the three dots on the upper right hand side in this X section here. You also have the option to create new folder. So you can click create new folder as well. Let's call this one test 2. And just go ahead and save. And you can see here that those folders are currently shown here on the taskbar. So that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you create bookmark folders in Google Chrome on your Windows PC. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.